Excel CoolCoat. Beat the heat off. India's leading, highest exported and affordable, high SRI heat reflective cool roof coating. During summer, sun's rays heats up the building. The roof temperature raises and penetrates into the buildings, raising the internal room temperature. When Excel CoolCoat is applied over the roof, it reflects the sun's infrared rays that generates the heat. Due to continuous reflection of IR rays, and along with the nano insulation, it does not allow the roof itself to get hot and remains 8 to 20 degrees Celsius cooler compared to an uncoated roof. Since the roof and walls does not get hot, no heat enters into the building. One can even walk barefooted on the roof even during peak summer afternoon without burning their feet. The interiors remain 3 to 7 degrees cooler compared to an uncoated building. This helps reducing air conditioning and humidification cost up to 30%. The unique feature of Excel CoolCoat is first of its kind revolutionary triple action technology, reflection, plus nano insulation, plus microfiber reinforced waterproofing. These powerful combinations delivers excellent performance even in harsh, dusty conditions where most of the products fail. No more hot summers. Keep your buildings cool in summers with Excel CoolCoat. We keep you seriously cool.